Welcome to this tutorial on using virtual manipulatives in K9 Math. In this video, I'll show you how students can interact with manipulatives to learn mathematical concepts. Virtual manipulatives are interactive tests where students learn by working with visual tools like number rods and chips. These exercises guide students through solving math problems using hands-on manipulation. At the top of the screen, you'll find the test name. In the top right corner, you'll see the total number of questions in the test, as well as the current question number. Just below the title, there's the question text. For example, here, the question asks us to represent the sum of two number rods as 10 rods and the remainder. As we can see on the board, there are two number rods on the left, a 6 rod and a 5 rod. Since 6 plus 5 equals 11, our goal is to represent this using a 10 rod and a 1 rod. A 10 rod has already been placed as an example, so we just need to place the 1 rod. This yellow box on the board is the answer area where we'll place the rods. Using the Manipulatives toolbox on the left edge of the screen, we'll pick up a 1 rod and place it in the yellow answer box. In the next part of the question, we have a 9 rod and a 4 rod. Since 9 plus 4 equals 13, we'll pick a 10 rod from the toolbox, drop it in the answer box, and then add a 3 rod to make the total 13. For the last part, we have a 7 rod and an 8 rod. 7 plus 8 equals 15, so we'll place a 10 rod and a 5 rod to represent 15. Once we've placed all our answers, we click the Next Question button in the top right corner of the screen. When we get the answer correct, an animation of a boy holding a circle mark appears, showing that our answer was correct. If we answer incorrectly, or if we leave parts of the question incomplete, the animation will show the boy holding a cross sign, indicating the answer was incorrect. Now let's look at a different kind of question. This one says, place chips to represent 12, 15, and 19. We already have 11 chips placed, so to make it 12, we'll drag one chip from the toolbox and place it with the existing chips. We then represent 15 by adding 3 more chips to the 12 already placed, and for the final part, we make 19 by adding 5 chips to the 14 that are already placed. For this last question type, we need to place rods to match a given number. If the number is greater than 10, we'll start with a 10 rod and then add the appropriate smaller rod to match the total. And that's all you need to know about the virtual manipulative tests in K9 Math. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!